Robin's vlog! energy gap, go!
Hey guys, it's Meljane and welcome to another vlog. Today is evening. And yes, I'm gonna take you guys with me as we explore Dumaguete City at night. Here we go. Oh my frickin'! Oh my frickin'! Oh my frickin'! That was a success. Okay, so right now we are walking. This hotel that we're staying right now it's so close to Robinson's Mall. So we're just gonna walk there. It's like a 5-minute walk and we're gonna get some cash because we don't have any money. So funny. Let's go.
Gotta get some cash. Gotta get some cash.
Camera, like when I try to like zoom it in, I do like this and it's like it's actually turned off. That's so funny. It's like, why is it turned off now?
Yeah, me too. We are here in the highway of Robinson's Mall here in Dumaguete City. We're gonna rob a bank.
We will be robbed. No, please don't.
No.
I'm so surprised that they have like a lot of restaurants in this area actually. We didn't get in here like last night and it's like we don't have any place to have dinner, but I think this is the best place to have dinner. Legit restaurant, good restaurant. I'm so full. SSB. I want to sleep now. No, but we have a job to do. We are gonna roam around Dumaguete. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Here in the famous Dumaguete Boulevard, hashtag DumagueteMe. So right now we're gonna try their tempura. It's not new to me because you know we eat tempura in Cebu and it's not really a big thing. Maybe their tempura here it tastes different. We don't know, we shall see. Also they do have balut as well, so let's go. So we are now here in their famous tempura along the Dumaguete Boulevard. We actually walked a little earlier because we were so full, and right now that we're hungry again. Are you hungry? I'm not that really hungry, but I still want to just try it. Yeah, it's so crazy. It goes all the way up and on the other side as well. Let's try it. So you have to put on the sauce. This is hot sauce. Did you just put it in here?
Yeah. was it?
Spicy. Actually, it tastes the same as in Cebu. It's good. I like it. So spicy.
So spicy because you put so much.
I put so much hot sauce on his plate.
And it tastes so good.
Yeah.
In Cebu, we do like this in sticks, but we do not put it on plate. So this is new to me.
Just the plate is new.
Yeah.
My mouth is really burning. It's super hot.
Next up is Pinoy.
Next dish. We have here some Pinoy. Ouch, it's so hot. And put some salt. And put this vinegar. And then eat. So spicy. I'm so messy.
So how's the tempura and the egg?
They're so spicy. It's
Is it a good spicy or a bad spicy?
they're like so fudging spicy. Like my lower and upper lip are like on fire. My lips are still burning. That was so crazy. You should try this when you're here in Dumaguete. Using this very festive with fancy lights, Kalesa. Can we have like a dance song? So everybody can be alive. This song is like so lonely. I just want like a dance song, please.